Before a book goes to print, it must be clear, consistent, and error-free. At Publishing Spot, our editing elevates your manuscript while preserving your unique voice. We focus on accuracy and readability. Our experienced editors correct grammar, improve sentence flow, and eliminate redundancy, ensuring perfect style and tone. Every single edit is made directly in your manuscript, using track changes for absolute transparency, delivering a final file completely ready for formatting. Why choose us? Our editors respect your narrative style, provide one-on-one direct support, and offer a seamless handoff to our publishing team. Let's break down our packages. Our basic package is $199 for up to 25,000 words. It's ideal for short books, novellas, or business guides. It includes proofreading, light copy editing, grammar, punctuation, and spelling correction, plus sentence-level improvements for clarity and flow. We ensure consistency in tone, tense, and style. You receive tracked edits, a clean final version, and 1 round of author revision support. The standard package is $349 for up to 50,000 words. This is perfect for novels, memoirs, and nonfiction manuscripts. It includes comprehensive spelling and grammar correction, sentence structure improvements, word choice refinement, and the removal of redundancy and awkward phrasing. We ensure verb tense and narrative consistency, clarify your text while preserving your voice, and perfectly align hyphenation, numbers, and capitalization. You also get complete formatting consistency, tracked edits, a clean, final version, and 2 rounds of post-delivery clarifications with your editor. Our premium package covers up to 100,000 words. It is specifically designed for full-length fiction, in-depth nonfiction, or complex manuscripts. This includes thorough syntax correction and line-by-line editing to perfect sentence flow, rhythm, readability, language, tone, and audience style. We eliminate filler content transitions, enhance clarity while preserving your voice, and provide a comprehensive structural review for logical paragraph flow. We suggest improvements for pacing and chapter continuity, perform light fact-checking for nonfiction, align all stylistic formatting, and deliver a polished final version. So, how does the process work? Step 1. Choose your package. Step 2. Securely submit your manuscript along with any sick notes for your editor. Step 3. Our professional review begins. All edits are made using track changes, so you can see every single revision and maintain full control. Step 4. We deliver the manuscript for your review. Step 5. We provide a perfectly clean file, completely ready for professional formatting and publishing. From clean grammar to smooth flow, Publishing Spot helps your story read its absolute best. Choose your editing package today and take the next step toward publication.